Welcome back to another bag tour. So here we have the mini bag in this lovely burgundy color, and the style number for this bag is 9825, and this bag was made in the original New York City factory, and I believe it was probably made in the 80s judging by the creed. I'll go ahead and try to see if I can give you a better view of the color. It's this beautiful burgundy color. Kind of shows up darker on camera than it probably, yeah. I'll kind of overexpose so you can see a better depiction of the color, but it's this beautiful kind of burgundy wine color. And the back, and then the other side, and the hang tag. It's got a one-sided hang tag, and there's the front again. It does have some dryness that didn't go away completely with, I don't know if you can see that very well on camera, but it's got some dryness that didn't go away with conditioning and cleaning, so there's some of that. But other than that, it doesn't really have a ton of wear. It's got some dryness on the corners as well, but otherwise it's in pretty nice shape. Go ahead and open it and show you the inside now. So here's the inside of the bag. It's pretty clean, and it's got this nice slip pocket here, and then another slip pocket here, and then the creed inside. It's hard to show you on camera, the creed, but it's right there. And of course you can look at the Etsy listing linked below if you want to actually see a better photo of the creed. Anyway, that's what it looks like. It's a crossbody bag, so I'll go ahead and show it to you on my mannequin now so you can see what it would look like worn. Okay, and so here's what it would look like worn. It's of course at about hip level, like most of the crossbody bags do. Anyway, hopefully that gives you a better idea of what it would look like if it were worn. And it's a pretty nice size, lightweight, so shouldn't be heavy on your shoulder, but you know, big enough to fit the essentials, phone, probably a small wallet. So anyway, that's it for this bag. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.